Episode 7. Identifying population normals allows EGG diagnosis. In our last video, we talked about how it was possible to analyze the EGG signal, yielding components such as the raw signal, the running spectral analysis, and finally frequency-specific summary graphs, to help compare the EGG signal to better understand disease. In order to understand the difference between normal and unhealthy conditions, or stated another way, homeostasis or disease, it is necessary to first define the normal limits. In 2000, Koch and others published their results demonstrating the normal signal ranges in normal healthy subjects. This led the way to recognizing disordered motility of the gastrointestinal system, associated with disease. Scientists were now able to turn their attention to how motility was impacted at the level of the functioning of the gastrointestinal motor unit. This is the motor unit which governs the homeostasis of the gut, and is comprised of the interstitial cells of Cajal or ICCs, the smooth muscle of the gastrointestinal tract, as well as the myoenteric plexi or nerves. In order for this integrated physiological unit to function, there must be adequate numbers of ICCs, which, based upon the research published by O'Grady, Abel and others at the universities of Auckland and Mississippi, was found to be 5 per high-power microscopic field. Without a normal number of the ICCs or pacemaker cells, the homeostasis of gastrointestinal motility is disturbed, leading to disease such as gastroparesis, dyspepsia and other motor abnormalities. The real breakthrough came in 2010 and 2015, when Lin, Saraziek, McCallum, Abel and others who separately discovered that the normal 3 cycle per minute activity seen by EGG was a direct reflection of the normal number of ICCs and function of the physiologic unit. This enabled researchers to view disease or disordered homeostasis in a new light. For the first time, using a non-invasive test, the EGG, they could determine if a disease was due to an absence of ICCs, or in the setting of a normal number of ICCs due to conditions such as mechanical or physiological obstruction of the pylorus. In essence, the EGG actually may be seen as a meter or measure of the number, and/or healthy functioning of the ICC motor unit. Now it became possible to identify 3 subtypes of the 3 cycle per minute GMA signal, and categorize disease according to these subtypes, in direct relation to performance of the ICC motor unit. These became known as the hypernormal, normal, and hyponormal 3 CPM GMA. Join us next week, as we begin to relate disease directly, using 3 cycle per minute GMA subtypes to characterize disease, paving the way to optimize therapy, based upon the anatomical and physiological condition of the individual patient, otherwise known as personalized medical care. 3 CPM, helping to cure the incurable, working with GastroLab, the exclusive distributor and research partner for 3 CPM in India. Visit gastrolab.com, or phone on 088-8939-9914.